Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, June 22nd. I'm going to continue reading from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. And then, as always, we're going to do a short meditative reflection around it. Today's essay is titled Fame or Peace. Mark Nepo writes, "Much of our anxiety and inner turmoil comes from living in a global culture whose values drive us from the essence of what matters. At the heart of this is the conflict between the outer definition of success and the inner value of peace. Unfortunately, we're encouraged, even trained, to get attention when the renewing secret of life is to give attention. From performing well on tests to positioning ourselves for promotions, we are schooled to believe that to succeed, we must get attention and be recognized as special, when the threshold to all that is extraordinary in life opens only when we devote ourselves to giving attention, not getting it. Things come alive for us only when we dare to see and recognize everything as special. The longer we try to get attention instead of giving it, the deeper our unhappiness. It leads us to move through the world dreaming of greatness, needing to be verified at every turn, when feeling of oneness grace us only when we verify the life around us. It makes us desperate to be loved, when we sorely need the medicine of being loving. One reason so many of us are lonely in our dream of success is that instead of looking for what is clear and true, we learn to covet what is great and powerful. One reason we live so far from peace is that instead of loving our way into the nameless joy of spirit, we think fame will soothe us. And while we're busy dreaming of being a celebrity, we stifle our need to see and give and love, all of which opens us to the true health of celebration. It leaves us with these choices, fame or peace, to be a celebrity or celebrate being, work all our days to be seen or devote ourselves to seeing, build our identity on the attention we get or find our place in the beauty of things by the attention we can give. As always, a beautiful and very insightful essay. So now, let's do a short practice around it. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, allowing it to be completely natural. Remind yourself that there is nothing that needs to be fixed about your breathing. Just as there is nothing to be fixed about you in this moment. This breath is enough. You are enough. This moment is enough. Connect with a sense of spaciousness in your whole being. allowing all the sensations, all the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now sit quietly with your eyes closed and find the place within you that is beneath your want to be seen. Find the place within you that is beneath your want to be seen. Can you connect with this place? How does it feel? Now open your eyes and simply give your sweet attention to the things about you. Look at the rug until it becomes fiber. Look at your keys until they become metal. Look at a bird until it becomes song. Now allow whatever you see around you, whatever you just gave your sweet attention to really enter you, enter your being, and set an intention to take it with you throughout your day. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for being here, for your dedication, for doing this practice. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I recognize that everything is special. May I learn to celebrate being. May I touch deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this beautiful reflection. What if, instead of desperately trying to get attention, we start focusing on giving attention? What if, instead of trying to prove to the world and ourselves that we have something big to celebrate, we start celebrating being itself? How would that feel? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.